Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Tuesday, November 13, 2012. Well, an outside day today in bar chart terms, a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Candle of indecision, a large battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. The buyers were strong enough to take out the previous high, the sellers were strong enough to take out the previous low. So an indecisive candle, it does raise doubt about continuation of the trend to the downside. But if we look at the colour of this body, it's a black bodied candle. The size of the body is larger than the body for the previous couple of days, so the sellers have made some net bearish progress, and a substantial amount considered to the when we compare to the previous two trading days. And we've also had the candle close down towards the low, highlighting the sellers ending the trading day in control of this market, and the large shadow on the top of this candle with the buyers losing commitment up above the 1378 level. We also saw the sellers find some support down around 1370. The sellers lost commitment around that area. So moving forward tomorrow, that is an important level for this market. If we do trade through there, we could be trading down to 1356. If the trend does change to the upside, and there's no sign of that happening at the moment, some resistance in a zone now extending up to around this 1390 area, but certainly the 1400 level comes into play. If we do trade up around there, it will be a strong area of resistance. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of the current first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market's trending down, and the market is setting itself for a target at the 261.8% at 1365, and with this bearish activity coming into the market today, there's a strong possibility of the market testing to around that area. If we do see buying coming in around there, then that does suggest that there is a potential change of trend after that happens, if it does happen in fact. And the Fibonacci retracement, we're in an expansion mode of that, is also trading down towards the 261.8% at 1367, correlates with the previous Fibonacci technique, and it is a target for this market, and it is an important target that we should be watching over the next day or two. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, a bearish market in all three time frames. The market is bearish in the long-term time frame by trading below the cloud, bearish in the medium and fast-term time frames by trading below the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen, the pink line and the green line. So quite some bearish activity. The Chica span here is below the corresponding price action, so it's confirming the solid negativity that we have in this market at the moment. So with the market, the trend being down in all three time frames, and the short-term dynamics favouring the sellers, there's a very strong possibility if the market does trade through this 1370 level in a bearish manner, we could quickly be testing down to 1356. We do need to watch that area roughly around 1356, 1357, where the Fibonacci ratios are, and if we see buying coming in, there's likelihood of a bounce. But if we trade in a bearish manner through there, then 1356 will be the next stop. Certainly after these couple of bearish days that we've had, there hasn't been any bullishness coming into this market. Some indecisive candles over the previous trading days to today. The market has attempted to rally. We have had a flat type Kijun Sen, but certainly no strength from the buyers, and it does suggest that this market may be destined for lower levels.